out here and pick on me, right? I pick on me there, I don't know why now. You know me there?
Yes, sir, we there.
Which part me there?
Batman guns.
What did you?
Batman
But anyway, me there, we just there. I mean, know me Jamaican them there, right? The good people them there. But hear me now. Andrew Fresh, you're the man. Big up the host. What's your name again?
One Sasha Bless.
Big up yourself. I like how you move. See? People, but they are from a tour. And my brother asked me, said, Nuffy, you can't die upon your tour. You're the Lucian tomorrow. See? You're Rassi Manuel. And some more special guests, Lou. Whether you're Lou, respect it. See, me never know the place, but on our experience, me have me know what. See, so me have done Luton. See, Master Chin is here. And my brother forward, me so I can't tell a light man that off the light. But you see me, my brother, is a youth, I want to the baddest singer in the world. If not get no justice for you.
One has your first, one is that.
Anyway, the singer them with the inner Jamaica there, where you call big singer in big scene like that. But he not get no justice in our business. Over 20 and 30 years in our business. We know a long time. He's a real son Portmore. It's not a normal youth. Listen to me. All of the man them want to do them now. Keep up with the one and say yo. When you got them want to do them on claim. What do them on down the screen? Listen to me. A stage show there. Listen, I'm a blood clot 99. We don't act like we're not a Jamaican. We sure know say if we walk in there so we can't tell, I'll be a blood clot nice. Mother will be a nice. Bounty killer be a nice. Bean man will be a nice. Keep on them people that be a nice. And my brother that. I sing a J that. Ladies and plenty men. Let's get ready to rumble. Come on, give that. Rich and famous. I want you to know. I want you to know rich and famous. Read him up. Read him up! My brother! My brother! Sing a day! Sing a day! Sing a day! Oh, what's loud now? Look at clean! It's been a long time coming, but I know change is coming. Back singer! Let's get to Hallelujah! You're clean! Oh, to die. Every time you're running, I must have done in the skies. Yeah, yeah. When I go, reach out for you, something. Long time coming. When is something? Yeah. Hold up. Sure. Love respect to everyone. See, I just want to thank my life for me being here for 32 years. 32 years now in dancehall music. From the Stockstill back to some white car glass of Bolivar. I turn to music. And from me I do music till now 32 years me I take plane. 32 years, one of the people I support. So you see tonight, it's not just a normal night. Fix the mind, make everything right. I'm sharp like guillotine tonight. What a way man a way crap top on internet. Tell you, we understand that don't already be posted again. Don't you not sing, I still yes. Anything you do in your life, if you're not doing for God, you're the foolish. Anyway, Jamaica you come from moral points to legal points. If you're not a bad man in your heart, you're a pussy. Let me see that. As a right.